The Press Ganey survey is a survey that we send to patients after they've been hospitalized at HSS. It's used actually nationally, and what it does is query the patients on how they perceive their hospital experience. We looked at the Press Ganey survey to determine whether there was any disparity between the level of satisfaction that patients who came from different socioeconomic backgrounds or different races had with the process of care.
And what tended to be is that black patients tend to have lower satisfaction rates immediately after surgery. One of the problems is that black patients tend to distrust the medical system a little more. They'll seek care at a later date, so they'll come in with more deformity, worse disease, kind of be deconditioned a little bit. And then they undergo arthroplasty, and they may get the same gains as another patient, but since they're starting at kind of a lower starting point, their gains might not get them to the same outcome as the patient that seeks care sooner.
Unfortunately, I'm not surprised by that, since we've done a lot of other work in patient populations, and one of the reasons we did this study was to confirm our hypothesis that, in fact, black patients would be less satisfied with the overall experience.
I think one of the things to glean from this study, or that HSS can glean from this study, is the need for going out and more outreach into the community, more education, making patients aware of what's available to them before they need surgery, and try to treat their arthritis or avoid getting arthritis so that they don't end up needing joint replacement.